As at now, Seedance 2.0 is still free. I've found a particular website that you can literally use to create unlimited images and videos. Upon sign up, you have 500 free credit from the system, and completing a little task, you have 200 free credit. Guys, you don't want to miss this. And guys, there is no watermark in all the creation. The good thing, I'll be showing you this using your mobile phone. So guys, let's do this. Platform do not support temporary email, okay? Like you can see, it doesn't support temporary email, but I will show you how you can keep creating free images and unlimited videos. So to log in using our account, now log in successfully. So now we are ready to create. Now if you take a look at this interface, you see how amazing this interface is, and you can see this pop-up. Now guys, take note, don't close this interface. This pop-up is very, very crucial. This is what is going to give you the free bonus, like the bonus credit, 200 bonus credit. You can see it here, right? 200 bonus credit. So what you need to do is to just be patient, take your time and answer this question. So we are going to, in my case, I'm going to go ahead and say designer and professional creative. You can choose whatever thing you like. Main purpose of using this is educational, okay? Or I can see it, you can select anyone. It doesn't hurt. I mean, you can select anyone, it doesn't hurt at all. So it's free. Go ahead and continue. So the next one is preferred video type to create. Biblical, so I'm going to select a cinematic story. You can select any one of your choice. Video a level, can select anyone, right? I can put professional skilled, okay? Awesome. Then how do you hear about us? Main video platforms or publishing, I will just put here YouTube, right? Awesome. So I'm going to continue. You can pick any one of your choice. How did you hear about us? You can still use YouTube, anyone, it doesn't matter, okay? But we just want to create, we just want to claim this. So just a simple text, I love this platform. Okay, so guys, we are good to go. Get credit. You can see that now. Thank you for your time. You've earned 200 credit automatically added to your account. And like as I said before, when you log in, you have 300 free credit. But if you use that 300 free credits, you won't be able to create anything with it except images. All right, but once you're able to pass through that check, you're able to have this free 700 credit like you're seeing here. Beautiful. You can see we can try Seedance 2.0 now. This is what you're going to do. If you must use this Seedance 2.0, okay, now you're going to start from here. Try Seedance 2.0. Don't go through the other route because you will not find the model there. The moment you come, like the moment you use this method now, okay, you're going to see it's going to take you into this interface now. This is beautiful. This is what we have been looking for, and this is the new method of using Seedance 2.0. If you go through those routes, you won't find Seedance 2.0, but if you come here, follow through this other route, you're going to have access to Seedance 2.0. And at this point, you can see we have text to video and reference to video. This reference to video, of course, is when you have an image. You can now click this plus sign and bring your image in. It will take you to your folder where you're going to select your image and bring in. I don't want to use that. Instead, I want to use text to video. So I'm going to select text to video. Now, leaving the text to video, you can still bring in your image. This is beautiful. That's in case you still want to use image. I love it. All right, then if you look down here, you want to see other models as well. You see, this is beautiful. We have Cedance 1.5 Pro, we have Sora, we have one, and I'm not going to waste time on that. So quickly going to select the one we want to use, which is Cedance 2.0 fast. If you now let me show you something quickly. Now the higher the version, the higher the model, the higher the credits you're going to burn. Now watch this. If I select Cedance 2.0 only, watch what is going to happen to the credit. The credit will increase to 752 to 752. So it's higher the model, the higher the, okay. So go ahead and select this Cedance 2.0 fast. Now once you select Cedance 2.0 fast, it's going to reduce the credit. Now let me show you another trick, so you don't just jump into creating and you waste your credit. So before you start creating, please make sure you have your script is correct, okay? Your script is in order, no mistakes, so that you don't waste credit here. So you come here, you want to see the aspect ratio, okay, which is 16:9. You can select the one of your choice. Do you understand? Then here, generated audio, the audio that comes with my prompt, because it's going to be dialogue, okay. And then you come here, you want to see with watermark, but if you need watermark, you can toggle it on, okay. But for me, I don't need it. Now this times 1 is how many versions do you want. If you select 2, it's going to increase the coin. Have you seen that? It's going to increase the credit. So the best is for you to keep generating one by one, because you don't have until you're ready to upgrade to their paid plans, okay. So fine, so we are good to go, guys. So let me paste my prompt here so that we can go ahead and generate our video. I have my prompt here and everything is ready, but the sound and the voicing and everything. So guys, let's go ahead and see. But then don't generate first. You've set everything, but one thing is still remaining that you've not set. Let me show you. So this your credit can be reduced. Okay, go ahead and select this resolution. This resolution use 480p. Now watch this. You're using 480p. It has reduced to 285 credits. That means literally you can use this platform and create even up to 2 different scenes if you are using this. And the 480p resolution is going to be as hyper realistic as possible. Now watch this. I'm done and I'm going to go ahead and send this. Beautiful. So guys, the moment you send, watch the magic. This is where the whole magic comes into play, and that is one of the things that separates Cedance from every other model. Now guys, it's going to come out and I'm going to play for you. Like you can see, it's still generating. You can see this 20%, and it doesn't take time. Duration is 5. The model is fast, okay, and generates audio is true. This is it. These are the qualities, or the video quality, what is going to be the output, what you are expected to see. This is the output. Okay, so guys, our video is here, so let's go ahead and play this so that you can.
This ends now.
Also download this, you just click on this screen and hit download. Okay, that is it. So let's say you want to create scene 2. Now let me show you how many credits is remaining. We have 415 credits still remaining, meaning that you can literally create another one. Generation will cost 285 and we have 400 plus, so you can generate another video here. Okay. So we quickly have to head over to our ChatGPT to get our prompt for the second scene. Let's assume we have 2 scenes to create. So once you get your prompt, just a simple prompt, no, I didn't have it written down, so I got my prompt and I'll head back to the platform and I pasted my prompt. Guys, the result is going to blow your mind. It gave me 2 different scenes and I still have more credits remaining for other things like creating of images. Guys, let's proceed. This is how you use this particular website to achieve what you are looking for. First login, you can literally create up to 2 videos without exhausting it. Then once you are done, I will show you what next to do. The image that is going to give us. So you come here while this video is loading, switch to image. Okay? While we are waiting for the video to finish generating, now we are going to paste our image prompt. I already have my image prompt here. Okay, now you're going to see how much credit you're going to burn getting an image using this platform. Okay, now look at this, 211 is not equivalent to what is on our dashboard. What are you to do? You are to come here and reduce this eye. Remember, the higher the quality, the higher the credit. And remember what you are trying to achieve. Even if you use the medium and the low, it will still give you something sweet. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and reduce it to this low. When you reduce to low, watch the credit, it reduced to 6. You see, so this is how you maximize the free tools. Some of the free platform gives you options like this. So this is how you maximize it. Do you understand? The ratio, it's okay for me. I will leave it at this. Oh god, the video is ready, so I'm going to go ahead and play this for you.
Hey, where do you think you're going? You don't belong here. I'm not afraid of you.
Awesome. So you love it. This is 3D Pixar and it gives you perfect. The lip sync realism in the images is top notch, guys. So now another secret is we can use GPT image 2 to generate our image, but you also have options that you can as well try. We have option here. Seedance 5 is here. Seedance 4.5 is a text to image. Okay, so let's try the Cedance. Since we are using Cedance, let's see the Cedance result. Now let's see how much credit. 36 credits. So the higher the quality of your model, the higher the credit you are going to burn. Do you understand? So if you want to use the GPT image 2, you can go ahead and use that. So if we want to compare, we can go ahead and send this. Okay, for 36 credits, we still have credits remaining. Okay, so let's generate another image. Look at it, we still have 94 credits remaining. Let's generate another image using GPT image 2, the same prompt but different model, and let's see the result. Look at the result. In this case, this is beautiful. So click on it and download it. Awesome. So the same prompt, different. The GPT is 6 credits, so we still have chance. Okay, go ahead and hit and use this platform and keep generating unlimited videos and images.
Note this platform doesn't support temporary email. For you to keep generating unlimited images and videos, I would suggest to have up to 5 different emails. Once you sign up, you claim your free credit and you have 700 credits. Use this pattern to generate your videos. So let's say one account enables you to generate 2 videos. Let's say you have up to 920 scripts. So if you have up to 5 accounts, you should be able to generate all the scenes using these 5 different emails. Hope this video was helpful. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Then don't forget to turn on the notification bell of this channel so don't miss my next upload. Guys, until then, see you in the next one.